Unlock the secret rosemary water for gorgeous hair. Hey everyone! Have you heard about the latest trend that's taking in social media by storm? That's right, it's rosemary water. This powerful herb is backed by science and has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Now we're rediscovering its magic in the world of beauty, especially for our hair health. Let's dive into why rosemary water could be your hair's new best friend forever. Struggling with hair thinning or hair fall? Rosemary water is rich in antioxidants that help stimulate blood circulation to your scalp, encouraging faster hair growth. Picture this: you're gently massaging your scalp with cool, refreshing rosemary water. Rosemary contains carnosic acid, a potent antioxidant that promotes hair regrowth and protects your scalp from free radical damage. It also helps to dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow to your scalp and delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicles. So if you're dreaming of long, luscious locks, rosemary water might just be the secret weapon you've been searching for. It doesn't just grow hair, it helps keep it too. Rosemary water is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to promote hair health. By improving scalp health, rosemary water can reduce excessive hair fall caused by conditions like androgenetic alopecia. Regular scalp massages with rosemary water can stimulate blood circulation, ensuring that hair follicles receive the nutrients they need. Studies have shown that rosemary can be just as effective as minoxidil, a popular hair loss medication, in promoting hair growth and preventing further loss. This makes it a great natural alternative for those looking to avoid chemical treatments. Rosemary is believed to inhibit the production of DHT, a hormone linked to hair follicle shrinkage and hair loss. This inhibition helps in maintaining the thickness and density of your hair. By keeping DHT levels in check, rosemary helps create a healthier environment for your hair follicles to thrive. This means less hair fall and more growth over time. So, if you're noticing more strands on your brush than usual, don't panic. It's a common issue that many people face. Rosemary water could be a natural and effective way to combat hair loss and maintain a fuller, healthier head of hair. Incorporating it into your hair care routine might just be the solution you've been looking for. Chapter 3: Improves scalp health. A healthy scalp means healthy hair. Rosemary water has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, keeping dandruff and irritation at bay. It acts like a gentle cleanser and protector for your scalp, combating bacteria and fungi that can lead to scalp conditions like dandruff and itchiness. Imagine rosemary water as a soothing balm for your scalp, calming inflammation and irritation. By creating a clean, balanced, and healthy scalp environment, rosemary water sets the stage for strong, resilient hair growth. Chapter 4: Adds shine and softness. Want glossy, soft hair? Regular use of rosemary water can condition your hair naturally, giving it that beautiful shine without any harsh chemicals. Rosemary helps to smooth down the hair cuticles, those tiny overlapping scales that protect each strand. When your cuticles are smooth and aligned, light reflects off them more evenly, creating that enviable shine. Plus, rosemary water helps to detangle your hair, making it more manageable and less prone to breakage. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair and hello to strands that shimmer and shine with every turn of your head. Chapter 5: Delays premature graying. You heard that right. Rosemary is believed to slow down premature graying by maintaining your hair's natural pigment. This aromatic herb has been used for centuries in various cultures for its numerous health benefits, and now it's gaining popularity in the world of hair care. Rosemary is thought to help preserve your hair's natural pigment, melanin, which gives our hair its color. Melanin is the key component that determines the shade of our hair, and rosemary might just be the natural solution to keep it intact. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that rosemary extract can help to darken hair and potentially slow down the graying process. Imagine the possibility of delaying those silver strands and maintaining your youthful appearance for longer. Imagine preserving your natural hair color for longer, embracing those vibrant hues for years to come. The idea of keeping your hair looking youthful and vibrant is certainly appealing. So if you're looking for a natural way to embrace your natural hair color and potentially delay those grays, rosemary water could be your secret weapon. Incorporating rosemary into your hair care routine might just be the simple, natural solution you've been searching for. Chapter 6: Let your hair bloom with rosemary water. Ready to unlock the secret to gorgeous, luscious hair that shines with health and vitality? Let's whip up some rosemary water. It's super easy, takes only a few minutes, and the results are absolutely worth it. Grab a generous handful of fresh rosemary sprigs and add them to a pot of boiling water. The fresher, the better. Let it simmer gently for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the rosemary's natural oils and nutrients to infuse into the water. Once it's cooled down, strain the aromatic water into a spray bottle, and voila! Your DIY rosemary water is ready to work its magic on your hair. Ready to try it out? Spray it generously onto your hair and scalp, and let your hair bloom with the nourishing benefits of rosemary water. Tap that like button if you're excited to give this a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty hacks and tips. See you next time. Stay beautiful and natural.